Hi everybody, this is Lisa from JoyfullyArt. Glad to be here to bring you another video. Alright, we will start by showing my painting from my last video. It's all dry. Love the colors. Absolutely beautiful. I'm a pastel girl. Love them, love them, love them. All the lines stayed so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. So on with the next. I have my paints all ready made up. Not sure what the colors, the correct names are. So I will find out and put them in the description below. I'm going to do a flip and drag with negative space. I'm going to start out with white. And I've got this little tiny cup. That's all I'm going to use. Get our canvas or our white down. Try and get it good and covered. I did put some silicone, 1 drop of silicone in each cup. So hopefully that'll help with some cell action. Let's get this one right here. I think that ought to be pretty good. I'll take a look after we're done and make sure that the sides are all covered well. Torch out some air bubbles. Working on an 8x10 canvas today. All my paints are acrylic, of course. One of them little air bubbles just don't want to release. There we go. That's a little bit better. Let's see, there's something not covered right here. There we go. That's better. All right. Let's see if I can get this one open. Oh, there we go. This one is marked Artist Loft Gray. Start with it a little bit in the bottom. I believe this is primary magenta. I'm not sure what company. I'll have to look that up. I am going to put a little bit of gray in between each color. Not sure of this color. Like I said, I will put the colors in the description below the video. Here's the gray again. This is an orange. And the gray. And that's all I'm going to do, because I have a habit of using too much paint and then all the negative space goes away. So I think we'll just plop it right here. Let it sit for a minute. I think I got it on the canvas already. Let me check the sides out while we're waiting for that to flow. It's hard to believe all this white paint going and I still miss some. off a little bit. Start to come out on its own. All right, ready? Here we go. See what we can do. Do it up a little bit. Oh, looks pretty nice. Got some cells. Sit for a second. Give it a little torch. I'm going to tilt it just a little bit. I don't want to tilt it too much because I don't want it covering a whole lot of the canvas. Already seeing some places that I didn't get covered. Love that primary magenta and the gray together. Those are already kind of going wonky around, aren't they? Some of the paint off. There's an awful lot of white paint on here. There we go. Let's see. Let's go over this way a little bit and see if we can get some of the green. Let's see what this looks like now. Don't really like that at all. You can get rid of that. Didn't like the shape of those at all. It's a little bit better. Kind of dark. It's a little bit dark over in here. Not a lot of the orange showed up. I don't know if my little blower will reach or not. Let's see. Like that green, that's really pretty. I'm not too sure about it. I gotta find my button. There we go. Well, not too sure about this one, but it is what it is, I guess. It's all right. Just a little bit darker than what I would like, but here it is. Another one under my belt. Let me know what you think in my comments. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends and family. Let me know what you think. I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, please have a great day.